So we're back at the shop. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna do this air ducting for the fucking radiator, because it's like making air flow to the radiator and it's getting hot. Trying to sort that out now, and maybe try and get a bit of that rust patch done. That's my plan for the salvo. Yes, it's only good though. It's fucking mean. So we have done this, done some ducting, sump, gauard, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, tighten the exhaust up, put in a flange in there, fix the oil fuel leak, sort of lock the diff. What else we got to do? I'll paint it, yeah, let's paint it. Yeah, we should paint it tonight. We're going to lock the van diff. These gears here. We can make these little fucking blocks going to go on here. Like so. We just missed out on some good footage of the axle blowing up. The bearing was stuck in the side. And we put the porta power on there to give it a bit of weight, and it blew it apart, blew it out the front and hit the wall. The axle bugger. Anyhow, would have been bugging me, would have hit me. Put up on these edges. Well, that's that, that's that one middle. Made sure that all these are all gone. Speed on some freely. it's easy stretch in here. Bạn anh chơi được không?
Thank you.